Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is just a haul from a bunch of different places that kind of happened throughout pretty much the weekend, I guess. So the first thing I'm going to show you is just these beads that I got from AliExpress. I think I had a set of these, but they were smaller, but they're just like little pom-pom beads. So we got those. Then we went over to Ollie's for, what did we go there for? For some shelving for my husband. And I always check out the crafty section. And lately they have a lot more, I guess, because it looks like they got a lot of Dollar Tree stuff. And these are some other things that I don't think they sell at the Dollar Tree. But for $1, I got, it's 8 cards and envelopes, 2.25 by 3.5. So I thought those were cute, just to add, you know, your little note to your happy mail. $1 that was. And then here we got these Moxie. I never heard of Moxie before, but I think it said American Crafts. Yeah, so it's American Crafts, and you got different colors here, and it's just like glitter glue, I'm assuming, kind of like stickles, glitter glue. Yeah, glitter glue. That's exactly what it says. So we got 4 pretty cool colors here, right? I think I would use them. That was $1. All right, next thing, let's go ahead and do Temu. Now, I believe these were 2 free items, which actually arrived before my order did. All right, so this was what I thought this was going to be 12 by 12 pieces of HTV vinyl in different colors, because that's the picture on the item. But then when you go into the item, which I don't believe I did, so white was selected, and I wound up with a roll of white. So I don't think there was a way to get the assorted colors, but I don't know. I really have to start like checking their descriptions and stuff better, because I've done something like this before. So that's that. I mean, I'll use it, whatever. And then the other thing, I got these little cutting boards. Cute, right? Decorative. We can definitely figure out something to do with these for Christmas or that. So they're really cute. I think I got 12, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of these. Again, that was one of the free things. I think some more stuff is coming today. It's staggering in. And then the last thing I got this off Amazon. And so it came out, I am part of the Amazon Vine program. I don't know if you guys have heard about that. You can look it up, see what it is. But anyway, you can order items and you review them on this like program. So this came up as a artificial nail kit. I'll link this down below. It's $9.99. All right, so you get 15 of these clear boxes, right? They open like this, so they're not real, you know, they're not real thick. You get 15 of those. You get 15 of these little, because they would go in the bottom, right? So you get 15 of those. That would sit in the bottom. You'd put your little nails probably on these double-sided glue strips, right? Maybe one to hold that down and then one to hold the nails down. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe that's probably how you would do it. Your nails would, and they're for like artificial nail, like these that you push on. See, some of them are coming off. I had a wedding and I'm trying to get them off. And then you also get with that 15 of these bags. These really pretty holographic, but from looking at the picture, I think they have a clear opening on them. So let's just take one out and open it up and see. Okay, so the front is clear, the back is the holographic. All right, so I mean, for 10 bucks, and we can, you know, figure out little things to stuff in these cute containers, alter them, decorate them. I think it'd be really cute. All right, guys, that is all that I have for now, and I will see you in the next video.